What's up everybody and welcome back to the video. Today we are installing an X brace. Let's go. Alright guys, so took it out of the package, looks pretty good. This is the EuroSport. It's one of the most affordable ones. There's a couple other ones, but I went with this one. I didn't need the carbon fiber by Racing Line or the so it's really cool. So it's supposed to be an easy install. Came with an installation kit. I already took the liberty on cleaning everything out. I took out the bottom half of my seats. I will take the top part off here in a minute, but it's supposed to be fairly simple. I saw a couple videos. All we have to do is place it on, make a couple cuts, one here, drill in the metal, both sides, measure, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna get to it. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. Alright, so I have it placed where I want it. I did an inch from here, so this is how I measured it. Yeah, I know you can't see it because it's really dark, but it's an inch, and then you mark it with the Sharpie. Now, oh my god, the lighting here is terrible. So you mark it with the Sharpie, and then the way I'm going to cut it is you're gonna cut inside of the line, not outside, because then you have too much bleed, and then you're gonna see the color of the vehicle, which is behind here. So I'm gonna cut inside of the line and then see how it fits, and hopefully it's all snug in there, and we'll start making holes. There it is, the metal. Alright, cut the hole. Now I'm gonna place it. There's gonna be a lot of testing, on and off, so yeah. I think I have to cut a little bit more. That looks really good though. You can't even tell. But I'm gonna have to cut more from the back side because it goes a lot deeper than what I thought. That way you can fit in there. Nice. Actually, you know what? I think it'll be fine. Yeah, that's good. That's what I wanted. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. So this is what it looks like. Nice and snug in there. That's what I wanted. So cut the other holes and we'll continue on. So I have it fitted in there. Made the holes. Cut in top and bottom, so it's snug in there. So now what I have to do is measure again, make sure that there's enough space between the left side and the right side. Make sure it's even both sides. And then I can start marking holes. And then that's it. After I mark holes, it's a wrap.
It's getting too hot. That's why it's getting too hard.
Alright, so I drilled the holes to 5/16. It was supposed to be 3/8, but I didn't have it 3/8. So I went to 5/16. Make sure, disclaimer, use some soap or some grease, or I use WD-40 and go real slow because it can start to smoke and create friction. Anyways, yep, so I got the holes down. So I'm gonna try now and fit this little guy in here with the tool they gave me. I don't think it fits. Yeah, it doesn't fit still. It looks like I need to go by 3/8. Or I can maybe wiggle it in there. Nope, I don't think it will go in there. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, so I had to go by 3/8 because 5/16 wasn't big enough, and now we made the hole. Now we're going to put this little piece in and see how it goes. So you got this tool, right? So this is gonna go in here, and then your little, whatever this is called, your bolt nut insert or whatever, it goes like that. And then it's supposed to fit right in. Maybe I need to drill a little bit better. It's in there. There it is. Now it's in. So once it's in flush, you gotta hold this and then screw it in at the same time, so then it can start pulling this back and look like that. Alright, let's do that 6 times. That's it. Can't see anything, but there you go. So use the tool they gave you, and 3/8, it does work. I didn't think it was gonna work, but yeah, it does work. Awesome. Let's do the other ones and then do the other side. Alright guys, moment of truth. It's all done. Make sure you take your time to screw this on, to pull it up, so it can stay nice and snug, flush. So, here you go. Yeah. Yeah, boy!
Yeah. Towards you or towards?
Towards me, or whatever. So far, so good. I did put paste. Wow. So far, it feels pretty good. I did put spacers on, so it does feel definitely wider a little bit and more planted. Feels pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh man! Woo! Woo! I got butterflies. I got butterflies. We took that in at 60.
That's it?
It feels pretty good, so definitely love the mod. Cool upgrade. It's clean.
So much stiffer.
Yeah, right?
100%.
Yeah, it's definitely, you feel the difference. It's pretty good. Man. All right, so she's all done. It's on, ready to go. Bolted on pretty nice. I am gonna take the top section out, but not yet. That's on there. It looks real clean. Looks really good. Woo! Man, let's take a look from the inside. And yep, back seat still closed. Look at that. Still fits nice. It's the view from back here. Just very clean, very nice. So that's pretty much it for the install for the EuroSport X brace for the Mark 7 and Mark 7.5 Golf GTI or Golf R. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.